Good morning. It's Dr. Sage Breslin. I thought I'd just send something your way that I thought cute. I know a lot of people know who I am, but some are just getting to know who I am and what I do for a living, other than just walking Willow. So a colleague contacted me this morning and she said, "Oh my God, I had a dream about you." Thinking like, uh-oh. And she said, "You were this incredible, sublime DJ." And she said, "Is that meaningful to you?" And I had to laugh. But as I just contemplated it, I thought, that's so funny, because what I do is I help people get their groove back. And I guess that makes me some kind of sublime DJ. So if you've been feeling stuck or depleted, especially by unhealthy relationships or circumstances, perhaps it's time to get your groove back. I've got a 10-step system that makes it so easy. I didn't say pain-free, but so easy to just walk through those steps to get back your you, right? To put you, your core self, your old soul, back in the driver's seat. So if that sounds like something maybe you need to get going on, contact Willow and I. Slip into my DMs. Have a great day.